Hello everyone, we welcome you all. Now we will try to trace down some of the leaves on the white sheet of the paper. These leaves will actually represent the feathers of the peacock. See in how easy and few simple steps we are going to make this unique type of the art craft activity. This is so good and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Next we are going to trace down a giraffe. For this we are making use of the black marker, and see in how easy and few simple steps we are going to make this one. You can definitely go for this type of the painting. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. For this you may require some of the practice and fill it with some of the bright colors, like we are here using the orange and the red one. Now we are going to make a beautiful tree with the help of some of the leaves that we are pasting one after the another in a particular sequence that's apparent on your screen. You can just pause the video and try to make this one. This is so cool and it looks so nice, and it's very less time consuming. You may require glue for this one. Let's try to make a caterpillar on some leaves. For this we are making use of the black marker. Then we have to follow the steps. You can just pause the video so that you can trace it down perfectly. This type of the painting is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Then you need to fill it with some of the bright colors. We are using the sketch pen here. You can use the crayons or you can even use the pencil ones. Today we are going to trace down some of the lotus leaves. As we know, lotus leaves are somewhat giant. For this we are making the earbud, and we are spreading these leaves with the help of the water and the earbud. This one is so easy and nice technique. It's very less time consuming. Don't forget to trace down some of the fishes and their tails with the help of the black marker. Next we are going to create a beautiful flower vase. For this we may require the cardboard sheet over which we have created some of the patterns. Then we are going to paste them on the black background and see how we are creating some of the flowers with the help of the straw that we have made a tool out of it, and with the help of the earbud we are going to make some further patterns. This one is so easy and good. Let's create this beautiful landscape with the help of some of the leaves that we have collected from our garden. You may require glue sticks so that you can stick them well on this sheet of paper. See how beautiful and less time consuming this one is. This one is a blow painting. For this you just have to first spread the water with the help of the straw. You just have to blow air in the straw and then the different patterns are created. Then we are pasting the red sheet of the paper that we have just cut in some different shapes, and then we have pasted them. And for the outline we are using the green color and making the seeds of the watermelon from the inside with the help of the black color. With the help of the modeling clay we are going to make some of the lotus. First we are going to make the leaves of the lotus that are just green in color. After that we are going to create some of the petals of the lotus flower with the help of the purple pink colored the modeling clay. Then add some more details like the veins of the leaves with the help of the marker. This last painting is very simple. For this you may require the modeling clay. Then we are creating some of the numbers like 2023, that's the this year, and we are adding further details like creating the eyes and the beautiful this rabbit. This one is so good and nice. Definitely go for this one. It's best suitable for the small kids. Thank you for watching our videos.